Kolkata Knight Riders team final playing 11. Number 1 Quinton de Kock. Number 2 Sunil Narine. Number 3 Ankrish Raghuvonshi. Number 4 Venkatesh Iyer. Number 5 Rinku Singh. Number 6 Andre Russell. Number 7 Ramandeep Singh. Number 8 Spencer Johnson. Number 9 Harshit Rana. Number 10 Varun Chakraborty. Number 11 Vaibhav Arora.